2008, and welcome back to, well, not welcome back, welcome to a new series, I suppose it's kind of, where I'm basically going to be doing little desk activities. Series is probably going to be called something like Simple Desk Activities. So these are all activities you can do on your desk. So that's good. So I have got some stuff. I have got some behind the scenes area. So I think my first episode is just going to be kind of explaining you to the series, showing you some of the stuff that I'm going to do on the series. So first of all, I just want to orientate you. So, see the way my hands are facing? That is how I am looking at the desk. Camera is on an angle to where I am. Just keep that in mind. Sorry about the 4:3 aspect ratio. Oh my, it might not even be 4:3 because I might cut off the top and make it 16:9 because I really don't want to upload something which is 4:3. I could just have borders. I reckon I'm going to have a border maybe some notes. Maybe if I'm doing something which needs like equipment, then I can put like equipment notes there. I don't know. Anyway, so this week I went to an amazing shop. It has a bunch of stuff, including crystals. Well, these aren't really crystals. They're about $4, I think. That's the only one of them I have. I also bought some nano blocks, which I'll be building in a video later on. I'm sorry my voice is hoarse, it just gets like that sometimes. I've also got some Sudoku. That's pretty much it about what's coming up in the series. So now I'm going to go about my setup. So I've got like a little, it's an old Logitech camera kind of thing. That's the motion blur situation, by the way. What I also have though is I have these LED lights. They are actually attached to my desk. So if I turn off my main light, which is a nice yellow light, then it'll go onto my LED lights. And I can change this to any colour I want. Epilepsy warning. So skip like a minute or so ahead if you have epilepsy or something like that. Yeah, I killed the camera. I think I better turn that off. Yeah, the bit rate does not like this. Okay, I'm going to turn down the speed of that. I can actually have it fading. But no, I'm going to turn it back onto white, and I'm also going to turn back on that floodlight kind of thing. So this is a watercolour painting I did. So this might be a topic on the series. So this series is expected not to feel my regular uploads. So this won't replace a regular upload. So I'll still have a gaming related upload. This will be a separate, maybe on a Sunday instead, if you're in Australia. So in case you're just wondering what's behind me, this is a little speaker for my monitor, which doesn't have inbuilt speakers. This is my monitor. This is a Raspberry Pi. I remotely connect into that. So that I always like that. So that's pretty much it. So I kind of want to fill the video time with something interesting. Let me look around my room for a sec. Interesting stuff. Okay, so don't really have much, which would be alright to show. We have this LED sign. Which says recording. And trust me, it shows up a lot better on camera than it does in real life. That's really one interesting thing. Turn that off. Before it runs out of battery. So I really don't have that much. And these nano blocks, they will, in case you're wondering, fill about 15-20 minute episode. And the watercolors are kind of similar. Sudoku is different. You can kind of do about 2 Sudokus. My printer actually prints Sudokus out, so I can print them out. So that's pretty much it. I just need to milk this video out to 10 minutes and we'll be good to finish. Talk about this compass. I don't know how, but I'm gonna make it interesting. So the camera, so you're looking almost directly south out of that camera. It's wrong. Yeah. So it turns out you're looking not so much south. Or southeast. Anyway. As I said, once again I do need to milk this video to about 10 minutes. So what I think we'll do is you can watch me struggle with my hands and something which I can't get copyright strike on to open this package. Compass can go. Okay, so I've got my package opener here. This is just a blade. Very sharp. Don't play with knives. Always use the knife away from you. Also, it gives better camera angles. I have done some nano blocks before. But last time I didn't have a very good experience with them. They kept falling apart. So that is next week. And luckily for me, I have milked the video out to 10 minutes. Some of it was actually just umming and ahhing, but oh well. YouTuber's got to do what a YouTuber's got to do. And I think next week you'll see me opening it this side so I can get that nice shot with the knife. In actuality, it's probably not going to be next week. Because I like making these videos. So you'll probably see these maybe twice a week. These kind of simple desk project videos. But you'll be seeing the regular videos every Saturday at 6 AM. Hopefully. Okay, so, oh yeah, and I spent lots of money at Play-Dohs. I spent so much money at Play-Dohs. My mum also spent money at Play-Dohs, but and we bought some birthday presents for people, but in total we spent about $100. Oh yeah, and that unnamed shop is Play-Dohs. Please don't give me a copyright strike, Play-Dohs. Really? Seriously, please don't. I accidentally let it slip. I can't be bothered re-recording now. So it's gonna have to stay there. Okay. Can't think of anything else to put in this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.